Welcome to ninth session of real numbers. Friends, today I have to come with you such a good question, such a good models for you. Already in previous video we have done about under 2 marks category, but today we are going to discuss 2 marks category as well as 4 marks question also. Now let us see that question. Dear friends, prove that 3 plus root 2 root 5 is irrational. Same concept we should apply. What is the concept we have written in previous two questions? Let us assume contrary on that. Let us assume contrary on that. On the 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number only. I am going to inductive method. It is not. I am not accepting. It is not irrational. It is a rational. That means the simplest form of that is 3 plus 2 root 5 is equals to in the form of a by b or p by q. You can take it, my dear friends, for your convenience. Now I have to do the left side is the single number. It is irrational number. I have to transfer all the term to right side. Means now 3 transfer to right side, it becomes 2. 2 root 5 is equals to a by b minus 3 plus 3 transfer to right side becomes 2 minus 3. No. Now do the cross multiplication. 1 into a 3 into b 3b, b1 ja b. Clear? Now here left side value 2 root 5. I want root 5 is alone. It is a subject. It is alone. So we have to keep like that. Now into 2 transfer to right side becomes to denominator. So that means a minus 3b by 2b. After that you should generalize it. You should analyze it in the form of this total term in the form of p. This total term in the form of q. P by q form. Nothing but it is rational number or irrational number. Rational number. So RHS term is RHS spot is rational number because in the form of p by q. But what about LHS spot in the form of in the square root terms? No perfect square. That is the reason we can say that LHS is irrational. We know that. You know that. The thing is that LHS not equals to RHS. That means LHS always not equals because rational numbers are always not equal. Then it is contradicts to our assumption. What is our contradiction? What is our assumption, my dear friends? It is contradict to our assumption. Our assumption. What is our assumption, my dear friends? Our assumption is it is a rational number, but it is not a so 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational. It is not a rational. It is contradiction. No. So we should go with opposite. It is not irrational. What is it is? It is not irrational. Then what is, we can say that? Yes, it is what? Hence, 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational only. There ends proved. Final step ends proved. Clear? Right? Now, let us see one more important question, 4 marks. Now, this year, 8 marks. Let us see that question, my dear friends. Show that or prove that root 3 plus root 5 is irrational. Sometimes they should give here root 2 plus root 3. Sometimes they should give negative term also. Negative is given, positive is given, in variable is given. Same process we should apply in the time of exam. The process you have to see, listen very carefully, my dear friends. Contrary, let us assume contrary on that root 3 plus root 5 is rational number. Contrary to the question, rational number means the simplest form of that means root 3 plus root 5 must be in the form of a by b where a comma b are co-primes. What is the meaning of co-primes? In our first video I explained very clearly. The numbers are having common factor or no common factor other than 1. Such numbers are called co-primes. Here, now you have to take one number. Now it is put equation number 1. Now squaring on both sides of equation number 1. Then I am going to get root 3 plus root 5 whole square. That is equals to a by b whole square. It is the form of first algebraic identity. It should be expanded in the first algebraic identity. What are the first algebraic identity, my dear friends? A plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Yes. Now a nothing but root 3, b nothing but root 5, a nothing but root 3, b is nothing but root 5. Now RHS part also we should write in the form of a power m by b power of m. That means a square by b square. A square by b square. Now simplification. Square root cancel. 3 will be there. Square root cancel. 5 will be there. 2. Root 3 into root 5. Root a into root b. Root of ab. That means 3 into 5 root 15. Now right side value a square by b square you should write as it is. Now sum of these two. 8. 8 plus 2 root 15 is equals to a square by b square. Yes, your guessing is correct. Sir, it is a question number. Yes. Question number first in this video, first question model. From this onwards we have to write very easy. Now, what is the easy process? Yes, you are saying is correct. The irrational number must be alone. So that means 8 will be transferred right side becomes to 2 root 15 is equals to a square by b square minus 8. Now take the denominator and do the cross multiplication. CM method, then what should I get? Now 2 root 15 is equals to 1 into a square. A square will be 8 into b square. 8b square by 1 into b square. B square. 1 into b square. B square. Again the 2 transfer to right side. It becomes to denominator. That means root 15 is equals to a square minus 8b square by 2b square. Friends, after that you have to generate that. What do you have to generate it? It is in the form of P, it is in the form of Q. P by Q form. That nothing but RHS part is rational. What about LHS in terms of root 15? Does not have any perfect square. So LHS is irrational. All we know very well. Rational number always not equals to irrational number. So it is 100%. This is 100% contradiction to our assumption. So it is, we can write, it is contradicts to our assumption. It is contradict to our assumption. What is our assumption? It is rational. It is rational, but it is not rational because LHS is not equals to RHS. So it is contradicts to our assumption. So that root 3 plus root 5 is not a rational number. It is not a rational. Then what it is, my dear friends? Hence, we can write hence root 3 plus root 5 is irrational only. Irrational only. Now hence proved answer will be completed, my dear friends. What I have done, you see this 8-mark question, how it is easy. Now I should explain, I should recall it. Very important question, no? I should recall 5 seconds. It is irrational given. We have to take assumption. It is rational in the form of a by b. Do the squaring on both sides. By the simplification, you should get 8 plus 2 root 15 is equals a square by b square. Transport all the terms because the LHS part be irrational must be alone. So 8 transport right side minus 8, 2 transport by 8, 2. Now do the cross multiplication. Here we are getting the form of P by Q. It is in the form of rational, it is irrational. Rational and irrational always not equals. It is contradicts to our assumption, dear friends, so that it is not a rational. It is not a rational means it is 100% rational, irrational. So hence root 3 plus root 5 is irrational, hence proved. Dear friends, this is question. I hope that these two models you have to understand successfully and keep in your mind. I should give like these two questions as a practice purpose. You can practice it. Your choice will be, you take my challenge, show that 2 plus root 3 is irrational, prove that root p plus root q is irrational. Don't worry, root p, root q, variables are given. You don't worry, like same process. In the place of 3, you write p. In the place of 5, you write q. The answer will be comes. Okay, now my dear friends, you have to strengthen your subject as well as by bottom of heart, you will get the full marks in the coming exam. And you are the new viewer of our channel, please subscribe, share, likes, comment. Thank you very much.